Here's how to connect an MCP server to the Claude desktop app. First, you need to find the MCP server you want to connect to and find the GitHub repository that has information on how you can install that MCP server. If you don't know what are the options, you can go to the Model Context Protocol repository, and here there's a list of reference servers from their own repository and also some official integrations that provide MCP servers. I'll leave you the link in the description. So first, you're going to want to head to the settings, go to the developer tab, and you're going to see here edit config option. When you click here, it's going to take you to the file where the config is. So then you're going to open this with your editor of choice, and you will see that there is this MCP servers option here. In this example, I'm going to go over the GitHub MCP Server Installation. Each MCP server is going to have its own guidelines of how to install it. As long as you follow the instructions of the MCP server you're trying to install, then it should be relatively straightforward to do the same for any other MCP server out there. Alright, if we go to the GitHub MCP Server repository, which is the official MCP server from GitHub, we can scroll down and find the installation steps. Here we are interested in usage with Claude Desktop. We just need to copy this information and paste it over in this configuration. Once you do that, you will see here that it needs a GitHub personal access token. Different MCP servers might require different things. GitHub needs this access token for security reasons. It's out of scope for this video to show how to create this personal token, so I'm going to assume that you already have one. Once you save the Claude Desktop config, you need to restart the app to actually see the changes. And once you do, you're going to see this little icon here. You have 29 MCP tools available. You installed one MCP server, but there are 29 tools. You can add an issue comment, you can create a pull request, you can do anything from the LLM with this MCP server. I hope this was useful. Thank you for watching and hope to see you in the next one.